Hi, my name is Holly Reid of the Master Playbook, and welcome to our Black History Did You Know series. Today, we are focused on Freedman's Savings Bank. Let me tell you, did you know about the Freedman Savings Bank? It was established in 1865 and it was really a beacon of hope for newly freed African Americans who were navigating their financial independence once and for all, right? It's an important reminder of the importance of financial literacy. So, tonight, one of the things that you can do to honor the history of Freedman's Savings Bank, to start having those conversations about saving and planning with your family, is to talk about why savings is important. And you want to make sure that when you are having these conversations that you are zoning in on why it's important for your child to save at the age that they are right now. Is it to buy a game? Is it to save for something that they really want? Is it to save and plan for a family trip that's coming down the line? Whatever it is, tap into and start having those discussions. You can really encourage this by encouraging your kids to use their piggy banks. You can buy them their first piggy bank or talk to them about opening up their first savings account. Now, if you need some help with this, I invite you to check out our Amazon curated list where we have come up with a list of resources, books, and games that you can use to implement a lot of the tips and lessons that we are talking about in this Black History series. Let us teach our kids the history and inspire them to become future money masters.